Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a tax extension online. If you need more time to prepare your federal income tax return, filing an extension is a straightforward process. Remember, an extension gives you an additional 6 months to submit your paperwork, but it does not extend the deadline for paying any taxes you might owe. It's crucial to understand this distinction to avoid potential penalties. Let's get started with the first steps. Before you begin, gather some essential information. You'll need your social security number, your spouse's if filing jointly, and your address. It's also helpful to have an estimate of your income and any tax payments you've already made throughout the year. This information is necessary to complete Form 4868, which is the official document for requesting an automatic extension. Having these details ready will make the process much smoother. Once you have your information, you can file Form 4868 electronically. Many tax software programs offer this service, or you can do it directly through the IRS website using their free file program. After submitting, make sure you receive a confirmation. If you anticipate owing taxes, it's important to pay as much as you can by the original deadline, even with an extension, to minimize interest and penalties. Always remember that an extension is for filing your return, not for paying your taxes. If you owe money, interest will accrue on unpaid balances from the original due date, and penalties may apply for late payment. So, pay what you can by the original deadline. For those looking to improve their financial understanding, a great resource is The Simple Path to Wealth *. Check the description below for a link to this book and other helpful deals. Taking control of your finances is a powerful step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.